Do you have a favorite Halloween costume? Sir in front? Dude who looks like every dude who's ever sold me ecstasy at a rave. Dude up front. Dude who probably has cocaine later. I don't know. Also, by the way that your girlfriend laughed, you totally have cocaine. That's a cocaine laugh. He does. My favorite costume is the witch costume, right? Because the witch costume, all the bells and trinkets on it are associated with real life witch things, right? The cauldron and the stew of like toads, and what it was is a pagan ritual where these women would get together and they take a cauldron and then they take like skin off frogs with like DMT, they take magic mushrooms, psilocybin, throw it in there, hash oil, then they mash it all around. They mash it all around and then they would masturbate with this magic potion. And so the whole symbolism between like when you see little girls wearing this witch costume, the cauldron and then the broom signifies a phallic object and getting high as fuck into the clouds. That's real. Like all I'm trying to say is that's the costume I want to see this year. But like sluttier.